Alright guys, today I'm going to be showing you my light switch and plug socket collection. Now, I have one more, but I can't find it. And I'll show you most, but not all of them. So first we'll start with this Get single light switch. Just used to be in the search it. I just saved this from being scrapped. In very good condition as well. Apart from a few paint marks on it. The next one along is this one. It's not actually like a proper light switch. It's just a click it on one. Yeah. Powered by three treble A's. Yeah, it's basically a light looking light switch. It's very cool, that is. Now, three of these exact same thing. These are Crabtree light switches. These used to all be one of these used to be in my room. They're very old, probably from the 70s. Next is the one that used to be up there. It's an MK light switch. There's a nice click sound to it. This one is very similar shape to the MK actually. It's got some sort of curve in design. Both got curves in them. This used to be before that one. Before I had that up, the MK up, I used to have this folio. Dimmer switch. And next I have the one, these two originally in my mum's room, but they don't work in my mum's room. Not anymore anyway. This is a B&Q dimmer switch. Dimmer light switch. And then just get it into focus. Go. It can take up to a 400-watt lamp. Next is this one. This one's on a plate, so I can't really show you inside. This is just another B&Q dimmer switch, and yeah. Now I'll replace that one soon. Just makes this sound. Make a different sound. This one's a non-clickable dimmer. This is a Wilko polished brass. It's a Wilko polished brass dimmer light switch. My cousin has one like this, but it's a different brand, and it's got a clickable dimmer. Next, we'll go to this row now. We've got this one. This is a unbranded. It has a HP on it. Down there. Double light switch. Next one I've got is a chrome one. Here's a chrome fused switch. For example, if you could put this on the oven. This is one of my favourite switches, to be honest with you guys. It's got that extra fuse bit. This one is same as that. It's also a double switch. Chrome one, like that. Very nice. Yeah, I like that one. This one's actually a doorbell. It's an MK doorbell. This one's an MK three-way light switch. This is one of my oldest switches that I actually bought. The Crabtree ones, the Crabtree light switches all came with the house. things I actually bought from the store. I've got another one of these somewhere, but I can't find it. And it's an MK 15 amp. Looks like it has round holes instead of these rectangle holes. I'll show you next. This is an MK. No, this is not an MK actually. This is a Crabtree single plug socket. I've got another one of these. It's in best condition. Yeah. Made in England. Another one here. Final one. It's got paint on it. And the next one is I get. Looks like one of my favourites. This one is. That used to be in that box, but I removed it. And there's the details on the back there. It's just a single plug socket. Now, final one. This is a and T double plug socket. And yes, these switches on them are very stiff. Now this isn't the box, so I can't show you inside of it, but it's made by A&T. There's a bit of marks on it, but it's okay. It's got text on it. It's ripping off. The text on this one was very similar to the text on the Crabtree. They were both red. They had red text on them. Which one's got the best text actually? Probably this one. So yeah, that's my light switch and plug socket collection. Thanks for watching and bye for now.